Welcome to Bhadrakali Dairy Farm, where tradition, sustainability, and care come together to raise the finest buffaloes. Spread across vast open pastures, our buffalo roam freely, living as nature intended, stored healthy, and well cared. With every meal, we provide essential nutrients that keep our herd thriving, because a healthy buffalo means quality dairy. We carefully mix fresh green grass with nutrient-rich dry grass, ensuring a perfect blend of fiber, protein, and minerals. This combination enhances the quality of their milk. Cleanliness is our priority, creates hygiene and safe environment. Milking process is handled with care, gentle techniques to ensure purity and quality. No dilution, no additives, just pure and fresh. Packed with care and hygiene. Delivered straight to you.